Hello, I'm Dr. Megan Kradia. Welcome to this video where we explore why more and more people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s are turning to gelatin as a natural way to support joint health, improve skin, aid digestion, and manage blood sugar levels. In the past, gelatin was mostly associated with children's sweets and puddings, but today, it's recognized as a powerful health ally, especially for aging adults. The gelatin I recommend is pure, neutral, colorless, flavorless, and free of sugar and additives, a true source of cooked collagen that nourishes your body. Collagen is essential for joint support, cartilage lubrication, and bone health, all of which decline with age. For instance, people taking gelatin often report reduced joint pain and improved mobility. Beyond joints, gelatin benefits the skin by maintaining its elasticity and protecting the largest organ in our body, our skin, against infections and inflammation. It also helps soothe the digestive system thanks to its high glycine content, which supports intestinal health. Many older adults find it easier to stay hydrated by consuming gelatin, which helps with digestion and overall gut comfort. Gelatin is versatile and low in calories, making it excellent for weight management. You can create delicious, healthy desserts by mixing gelatin with ingredients like coconut milk and cinnamon, or make functional gummies by adding anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric. I often suggest about 10 to 20 grams daily, depending on individual needs, and it can be added to a variety of dishes, both sweet and savory. For better sleep quality, gelatin's amino acids promote relaxation and deeper rest, which is crucial for overall health, immunity, and mental function in older adults. I also recommend incorporating other beneficial ingredients like chamomile or valerian tea for additional calming effects. You can find quality gelatin in supermarkets or online. Buying in bulk can be cost-effective for daily use. Please share in the comments if you consume gelatin regularly and how you incorporate it into your routine. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends or family who might benefit. Together we can spread good health and vitality. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the channel.